In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up customer accounts in Squarespace. If you want to give your customers a smoother shopping experience, enabling customer accounts is a great feature to turn on. It allows returning customers to access their information more easily, which can help make your store feel more polished and convenient. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to enable it inside Squarespace. To get started, log into your Squarespace website dashboard. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This is where Squarespace keeps many of the core options for your site, including store-related features. So this is the first place you'll need to go. After the settings panel opens, find and click on Selling. This section contains the tools and options related to your store, checkout experience, and customer-facing purchase settings. If your website includes commerce features, this is the area where you'll manage them. Inside the Selling section, look for Customer Accounts and click on it. This will take you to the settings area specifically designed for managing whether shoppers can create and use accounts on your site. If you're not familiar with this section yet, don't worry. The setup is very straightforward. Now, once you're on the Customer Accounts page, click on Customer Accounts again to turn the feature on. This action enables customer account access for your store, allowing customers to sign in and manage their account-related details. When you switch this on, it's a good idea to briefly review the page so you understand what this feature will affect on the customer side of your website. After turning it on, click Save to apply the change. This final step is important because if you leave the page without saving, your update may not be stored. Once saved, customer accounts will be enabled on your Squarespace site. And that's it. You've successfully turned on customer accounts in Squarespace. As a quick tip, after saving, it can be helpful to preview your site and confirm that everything looks the way you expect from the customer perspective. That way, you can be confident the feature is active and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.